Alright guys, so I'm out here at the end of Moons Out Goons Out 24 with Mitch, design engineer from Q. Mitch, the boombox is your baby, isn't it?
Yeah, so I've been working on this for about 2 years, and she's getting close. Everything is running good, and we had a lot of fun. Ian and I both shot it at this match. So.
Yep, we're both running prototype boomboxes, and I really want one. So I figure maybe if I can outshoot Mitch with his boombox, maybe I can wheedle Q into giving me a thing.
I say if you win this challenge, you get a boombox. If I win this challenge, you have to publicly announce that Q Engineering rules and Ian drools.
Oh. Okay, I'll take it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Hopefully, I won't have to. Let's find out. All right, so name a challenge. We've got a silhouette and a popper down there.
Okay.
How many shots? How many hits? What target?
Let's do 4 hits.
One.
Yeah.
How many shots do you have to make it?
You missed here.
All right, straight, only hits.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. You're up first.
Okay.
Your challenge. Prove it's possible. One. Two. Three. Oh, all right.
Yeah. Going?
Yep.
Aha!
Woo! Okay.
Alright. Alright. Now you get to call out, yeah?
All right, I'm going to say 3 rounds, 3 hits on the popper.
Okay. What's your position?
We got to make this hard or we're
yeah.
both going to keep doing it till we run out of ammo, so offhand.
Offhand. Alright.
All right.
That's tough to follow up.
No
right
pressure.
There. Oh! You know what? Fuck this.
Want another mag?
Alright. No, I think you better do a full auto mag dump just for celebration, yeah?
I would be.
Yeah, let's get it after it. Alright, so we can all agree Ian can shoot. Maybe Q Engineering still rolls because it gave us this boombox, but you ought to come up and build one with us and put together your very own. I'd shake your hand if I had any depth perception.
That is a deal, sir.
Alright, let's do it.
Thank you very much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all of our Moons Out Goons Out 2024 content. I certainly enjoyed shooting it, as rough and awful as it was.
It was a great time.